Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for being late again. Actually, it was Holi last week and I was literally pink for one whole week. Okay, so as you can read in the title, today I'm gonna do a very classic brown glitter eye makeup tutorial. And it's a classic because brown eye makeup is so common, because brown eye makeup goes with almost all outfits. You can literally wear it with anything and it looks amazing, and also it's one of my favorites. I love brown eye makeup. And with that being said, let's finally get started. Okay, so the first thing I do is moisturize my eyelids, and for that I use Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Then I apply concealer, and I'm using Kyliecosmetics concealer in the color Maple, and I'll just blend it out with the beauty blender. Then I'll use my PAC high definition powder. It is a translucent powder that I use to set the concealer. For this look, I'm gonna go in for my Huda Beauty's Coral Obsession palette, and I'll use this very light brown color, and I'll apply this eyeshadow in my transition area. Now I'll take this another brown color and I will apply it on my crease line, and I'll blend it well using my blending brush. Now I'll take this another darker brown color and I will again apply it on my crease line, but I will now focus more on the outer corner. Now I'll use my MAC Light Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'll use the color Embark to give more density to my crease line. Now I'm gonna go in with my I Want It All palette, and I'm gonna use the eyeshadow Buttercream Frosting and apply it on my inner eyelid. Now I'll go back to my Coral Obsession palette and I'll use this shiny golden eyeshadow, and I will apply it on the center of my eyelid. And I will again use the dark brown eyeshadow and blend it with the golden one. Now I'll use my NYX or NYX liquid crystal liner in the color golden, and this will give the golden glittery look to the eye, and I will apply it on the center of my eyelid. Then again I will blend it out with the brown color. And again I'm gonna use the color Embark from my MAC Light Festival eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower waterline. Now I'll apply my Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. And finally, I'll finish the look using my Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. And I did the other eye also, and this is the final look. And that will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you found this tutorial interesting and helpful, and I will really suggest you guys to try out this look because it is really simple to do and it is very pretty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, then like this video, share, comment, but most importantly subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.